Unpack the wooden case. Accessories included with the machine. Install the magnetic brush plate. Then install the splash guard ring. Align the hole with the squeegee valve bolt. Unscrew the nut. And tighten the nut securely. Connect the suction hose. Side tilting tank body. Put in the lithium battery. Connect the red Anderson connector on the battery to the matching red socket on the machine and lock it securely. Remove the screw cap. Unscrew the screw. Then, connect the black power cable from the machine to the black connector on the battery. Cover with the black nut. Connect the orange power cable of the match-in to the orange terminal on the battery. Fit the orange nut into place. Close the machine body cover.